Fred Trading is a free Forex and gold trading signal service run by Frederik, a 26-year-old Danish trader living in Dubai. Members join a Telegram group with over 20,000 traders where Fred posts daily trade signals, and you can copy with your own trading account. Claims to be completely free with no courses to buy. Just copy his trades and profit. Promises that you can make money from day one, even with zero trading experience. This includes a free 5-hour video course teaching the basics, live trading sessions where Fred shows his trades, and community support. Success stories show a Canadian trader turning $500 into $2,500 in 4 weeks, a British trader growing from $400 to $4,000 in 3 months. Then they say that 95% of members never traded before joining. The catch is that the membership is free because the affiliated brokers like Vantage Markets and Star Trader sponsor the service. You must open accounts with these brokers to access the signals. Fred earns affiliate commissions on every trade you place, whether you win or lose. But here's the critical issue. In October of 2024, the UK's Financial Conduct Authority added Fred Trading to their list of unauthorized financial promoters, warning people to avoid dealing with them. You have no regulatory protection, can't complain to the financial ombudsman, and won't be protected by financial services compensation scheme if things go wrong. Fred's main Instagram account was even banned. Multiple reviews report win rates below 50%, members being kicked for asking questions, and withdrawal issues with affiliated brokers. So, the free membership isn't free. Fred profits from your trading activity regardless of whether you succeed or fail. Hi, I'm Hunter. I've been making money online for over 5 years now with a variety of different methods. Online income allows a sense of freedom and opportunity. For me, that's been the ability to fulfill my dream of traveling and living around the world. And on this channel, I review the most popular online business models right now and the courses that teach them to help you realize whatever your dream is too. Today we're breaking down Fred Trading's Forex Signals service. Quick disclaimer, I'm not affiliated with this program in any way. I'm just giving my honest opinion based on the available information and what I know about building online income. My favorite online income opportunity for most people is digital leasing, which you can learn more about by clicking the link in the description below. Drop a comment right now if you've considered Forex trading before or are actively trading Forex already, just looking for more support. I want to hear your thoughts and experiences with this online income opportunity. Now let's break down what Fred Trading actually offers and how this online business model works. This is a Forex and gold trading signal service operated through Telegram. Frederik, a 26-year-old from Denmark now living in Dubai, posts daily trading signals in a group with over 20,000 members. You copy his signals into your own trading account hoping to profit from his trades. The pitch positions this as perfect for complete beginners. You don't need trading experience, just copy, paste, and profit from day one. Fred handles all the analysis. You get a free 5-hour video course covering trading basics, live sessions where Fred explains his trades, and a community of traders from over 60 countries to network with. The membership is marketed as completely free, no courses to buy, no monthly fees. And like I said, the reason it's free is that the affiliated brokers sponsor the service, so Fred is making money on every trade. Fred works with these brokers like Vantage Markets and Star Trader who pay for your membership as long as you use their platform. Fred can provide signals free of charge with this model. He presents this as a win-win situation where brokers sponsor the community so members don't pay. But there are some critical issues here, and most people don't discover them until they've opened an account and started trading. Fred Trading is on the UK Financial Conduct Authority's official unauthorized financial promoters list, or their blacklist essentially. The FCA is the UK's regulator of the finance industry. They explicitly recommend avoiding Fred Trading and Frederik in general because you will have no regulatory protection if anything goes wrong. Fred Trading operates without top-tier financial regulation, exposing users to significant risk without recourse. The service isn't regulated by any major financial authority. Mid and low-tier regulators don't offer the same safety net as other ones like the FCA, SEC, or ASIC. They often lack strict rules, proper oversight mechanisms, or resources to keep brokers in check. Brokers under these regulations operating without regulation entirely are more likely to engage in problematic practices like hidden fees, unfair pricing, manipulation, or outright scams. If something goes wrong in an unregulated environment, things frequently do go wrong. Getting your money back becomes incredibly difficult, if not impossible. The affiliated brokers Fred requires you to use, Vantage Markets and Star Trader, operate in offshore jurisdictions without the consumer protections you'd have with properly regulated UK or US brokers. You're trading in an environment where your funds aren't protected and you have limited legal recourse if disputes arise. Fred's core business model isn't trading, it's making affiliate commissions from your trades. Every time you place a trade, Fred earns a commission based on your trading volume, not your trading success. This means Fred's financial incentive here is to maximize the number of trades you place, not help you become a profitable trader. The more you trade, the more Fred earns, whether you make trades that make you money or lose you money. This is why critics point out that Fred profits even when you lose. This conflict of interest is why many Forex education experts warn against signal services with affiliate commission structures. The service provider's goals aren't aligned with yours. You want profitable trades and account growth. They want trading volume and commission generation. These goals often work against each other. Multiple reviews note that Fred Trading sends numerous signals daily, encouraging frequent trading. This overtrading benefits Fred through commissions but increases your exposure to losses, spreads, and broker fees that eat into your potential profits. And multiple users report win rates below 50% despite marketing suggesting high accuracy. While some Trustpilot reviews praise the service, claiming 99.5% accuracy, critical reviews tell a different story. Users report less than 50% win rates, meaning more than half of the signals result in losses. One detailed review states, he sends out his signals, but they have less than 50% win rate as he is linked with the provider he recommends to use. Remember, he gets paid for each trade we place, so he sends in as much as he can. The reality of Forex trading is that even professional traders with years of experience struggle to maintain consistent profitability. The idea that complete beginners can simply copy signals and achieve 99.5% win rates is just not realistic. Markets are unpredictable. Economic events, geopolitical developments, and countless other factors influence price movements in ways that can't be consistently predicted. When signal services market themselves with extremely high accuracy claims, but users experience sub 50% win rates, it suggests the marketing doesn't match reality. You're entering the expectations of consistent profits, but experiencing the actual volatility and difficulty of Forex trading. And then there's the fact that members report being kicked out or banned from the community for asking critical questions or even raising concerns. Multiple users document being removed from the Telegram group when they ask for clarification, question, signaled accuracy, or express concerns about losses. One review states, when you ask a question for information, you are either kicked out or banned. Another mentions being removed from the community after raising issues about performance. This pattern of silencing dissent is a red flag common in problematic trading communities. Legitimate educational services welcome questions and address concerns transparently. When communities ban members for asking questions, it suggests they're protecting a narrative rather than fostering genuine education and support. This then creates an echo chamber where only positive experiences are visible to current and prospective members. People experiencing losses or having concerns are removed, leaving behind only success stories and testimonials that don't reflect the full range of member experiences. And then here's the weird part. Multiple investigative reviews note that the positive Trustpilot reviews often come from accounts with only 2 to 3 reviews total, suggesting they were potentially created specifically to post positive Fred trading reviews. And the reviews use similar language patterns consistent with bot-generated or paid testimonial content. One investigation states, look at all the good reviews yourself. They are bots. They have no more than 3 reviews apiece and are written by a bot. Use your head. Another notes, negative Fred trading reviews are often outnumbered by orchestrated positive ones. So this manipulation of online reviews makes it difficult for prospective members to get accurate information about the real user experiences. That 4-star Trustpilot rating with over 2,500 reviews looks impressive until you examine the review pattern and realize many of these don't represent genuine user experiences. Perhaps most concerning of all, users report withdrawal issues with the affiliated brokers that Fred requires you to use. Multiple reviews mention difficulties withdrawing their funds from the trading accounts with Vantage Markets and Star Trader. Some report delayed withdrawals as well, and others report being unable to withdraw at all. One review states, many users have reported delay or unable to withdraw their funds. This is a critical issue because even if you do achieve profitable trades, you need to actually withdraw those profits. That's your money, right? If the broker creates obstacles to withdrawals, your profit on paper remains trapped in your account. And withdrawal issues are common with offshore brokers like these, operating without strong regulation. They may implement verification processes that are intentionally difficult to complete, impose unexpected fees or restrictions, or simply delay processing legitimate withdrawal requests, hoping traders will lose the money back to the market before withdrawing. Fred's luxury lifestyle marketing tactic creates the false impression about the typical trading outcomes. Fred's social media is filled with expensive cars, luxury watches, designer items, and high-end properties. This lifestyle marketing is designed to create FOMO, fear of missing out. The reality is this lifestyle comes from Fred's affiliate commissions, generated by thousands of members trading, not from personal trading profits alone. When you see his Lamborghinis and Rolexes, you're seeing what's funded by collective commissions from the community's trading volume, not profit that copying signals leads to luxury lifestyle. And the fundamental challenge here is that Forex trading requires capital you can afford to lose entirely. For most people trying to build some with an income, risking their capital in the Forex market where 80+% of the participants lose money isn't really a sound strategy. Now, both Forex trading signals and local SEO lead generation are ways to create additional income online, but they carry dramatically different risk profiles and requirements. Local SEO lead generation, called digital leasing, requires setting up simple websites that generates leads for local service business owners and selling those leads to real local service business owners for $500 to $3,000 per month. You essentially add an additional marketing arm to their existing business. Here's how it works as a beginner. You look for low competition markets, typically with populations between 50,000 to maybe 150,000 people, and you set up websites that target leads for local home service businesses like plumbing, roofing, electrician, window repair, stuff like that, right? These websites typically cost a few $100s to build and rank on the first page of Google. And once ranked there and generating leads, once they're getting phone calls, once they're getting form fills with people interested in that service that you're promoting, then you go out and find real local service business owners in the area to partner with. And depending on the lead volume, depending on the value of the business, the value, like the service, obviously roofing is higher ticket than like plumbing. You can charge these businesses $500 to $3,000 per month per website. And unlike other digital marketing business models where you're trying to make a sale by promising, a prospect a potential benefit in the future, you actually do the hard work of, creating the marketing asset before reaching out to the businesses. So that means when you go to make the sale, you can actually let them trial some of these leads for free, show them that you're going to bring value to their business immediately, and then close them very easily on a deal. And what's great about this is that once a website is built and ranked in a low competition market and you've partnered with a local business owner, these websites can require minimum ongoing cost and maintenance. The base cost for these websites is just $20 to $30 per month for a call tracking phone number so that you can receive the leads, the phone calls from the potential customers and forward them directly to your local business partner, and website hosting so that your website can appear on the internet. And since these websites can require minimum ongoing maintenance work once they're already ranked and you partner with the local business owner, you can actually go through periods of making passive income online legitimately, which means you can focus on scaling your business. That means building out more of these local lead gen assets. Imagine a business with 10, 20, or even 30 websites, each making $500 to $3,000 per month. That's some serious online income potential. You don't have to risk your entire bag like with Forex trading, right? Like with Forex trading, you're trading with your account. Sure, you can, set some stop losses and stuff like that to prevent the trades from going the wrong way, but sometimes those are missed and you lose more money than you expect. This business model is just substantially less risky than trying to be a Forex trader. If you want to learn more about local SEO lead generation, also called digital leasing, check out the link in the description. If this video was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Drop a comment with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.